Hi, it's Chelsea, and I'm going to do a makeup tutorial of a makeup palette that I bought 2 weeks ago by Violet Voss, and it's called Sugar Crystals, and I'm really excited because the colors are so pretty. They're so shiny, all rainbow-like. So I hope you like this video, and yeah, if you like it, give it a thumbs up and comment, like. So yay! Before I put anything on, I have to put primer and concealer on. Actually, when I went to Sephora, like this one particular Sephora, I found out that they do not carry Elizabeth and James. I wanted to get some perfume, but they didn't have any, so I was a little sad there. But that's okay, because I got the makeup palette. Now I'm going to put some concealer on. That was probably too much. Now, I'm just trying to figure out what color to use. I mean, I could go with pink because I'm wearing pink. Or I could do something rainbow-y. Maybe I'll go with maybe pink. I'm gonna first put on a little bit of, what's that stuff called? Foundation. No, I only put a little bit on. Now, I'm not a professional, so I could be doing this all wrong, but that's okay, I suppose. And then some people are like, no, it's not. Wow. Let's see. I think I'm going to start with this pear berry color. I really like the color. It's just kind of hard to see right now. Wasps keep hitting my window. There's a fig tree out by my window, our neighbors, and I keep hearing click, 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 and that's the wasp. This is a flipping ginormous wasp hitting at my window. I'm gonna start now with like the sparkly colors. So I guess I'm gonna do orange cream. And I'm gonna put that over top of the pear berry color I put over my eyelid. I'm going to highlight my brow area with the color Sugar Crystals. I should probably do pink now. I don't know. I don't know. Or purple. Maybe I'll do a little bit of purple in the corner of my eye. And I need a tiny wee brush. Maybe I'll do this grape color. I love how sparkly it is. So obviously I'm not making it match. I'm just throwing on a whole bunch of colors. I'll add a little bit of green at the... I think I'll add limeade in the corner of my eye. I really love this color. I kind of made it a little bit thick, as you can see, by accident. Hopefully I can fix that. I think I will add a little bit of maybe sweet and sour. Oh, this one's got more of a blue tint to it. I'm going to add now a little bit of sherbet. It's really distracting here, I notice. Well, I think that's it for this palette. All the colors I'm going to use for today. Oh my god. There's like this giant wasp, this flipping enormous wasp. Now I get to do the tricky part. Eyeliner. Something tells me I'm gonna totally mess it up. So I'm so sorry when I screw it up. I'm not the best at putting eyeliner on. Yep, I totally screwed up. Oh my gosh. Look what I did. Oh my god, no. I need to get a Q-tip now. Now I get to use my favorite mascara. Clinique. I just want to say thanks for watching this video, if you even made it all the way here, because if you did, thank you so much.